All right, so we are doing 3.4 today, and it's all about word problems and slope and y-intercept. So we're just going to jump right in. I have 10 little things here, and we're going to put them either on the slope statement or the y-intercept statement, and then we're going to talk about some graphs. So let's just look at number 1 here. Emily sold 30 fish per hour. Is that going to be a y-intercept statement or a slope statement? It's going to be a slope statement because it's 30 fish per hour. Every hour, she's gaining 30 fish. So that would keep going up to create that slope. Number 2, Mr. Jackson weighed 230 pounds before he started his diet. That's going to be a y-intercept statement because of this keyword right here, before he started. So it was the starting point was 230. He's not increasing 230 every day or something like that. It's just a straight up 230 that doesn't change. The apartment requires a one-time deposit of $900. One time. That's our key word right there, which puts it in the y-intercept statement. Ashley walked 10 miles in 4 hours. That's a rate because it's going 10 miles in 4 hours. So that's going to be a slope statement as well. The poll for the candidate increased by 10% points over 5-week period. That's another rate. So that's going to be a slope. She baked the cookies at a rate of 12 per half hour. Rate 12 per half hour, that's going to be a slope. Ashley started at mile 2 on the parade route. Our keyword right there is started. She's not going 2 miles every hour, just she started at mile 2. So that would be a y-intercept statement. I'm not going in order. Okay, 8. The t-shirt company charges a setup fee of $20. Not $20 every t-shirt, just a one-time setup fee. So it would be a y-intercept. Number 9, an online store charges a startup fee of $90. So same thing there, startup fee. That would put it over here on the y-intercept. Last one, they had to finish 20 problems in 2 hours. That's a rate, 20 problems in 2 hours. So that would be slope. Okay, so this is pretty much what you're doing on your homework, just sorting if it's a beginning statement, a one-time fee, or if it's continuing and it's a rate problem. And then we got one more type thing that we're going to do, and that is looking at these graphs and telling what they mean. Okay, so money earned from dog walking. What's my initial value? What's my starting charge? $5. So that means she charges $5 setup fee. Then it is what per hour she walks the dog. She went from 5 to 15 after 1 hour, 15 to 25 after 2 hours. So that means she's charging $10 per hour. Okay, so we got our y-intercept in there and what it means, and we got our slope in there and what it means. Zombies captured. So we could say they started the day with 10 zombies captured. Then they captured how many each hour? Looks like 5 each hour. 5 per hour. Okay, so we got our startup, which is 10, and then our slope, every hour they're increasing by 5 and what that means. Okay, so that is what you are doing on your homework today.